Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how you can create product slider into your Shopify store. So currently on my screen you can see that I have a slider which is already integrated. So in the same way I will be implementing step by step. You only need to copy and paste the code and then you are done. So if you are using Debut theme, then it will work for you. If you are using any other theme, then you can also try, and if still you are facing any issue, then you can ask me below in the comment section. So I will be happy to help you out with whatever problem you are facing with. So currently on my screen you can see that this is a simple slider here. So let me show you the code. So here I have already written a blog post. So I will be adding the link below in the description. You just go through and copy and paste the things and then you are done. So I have actually removed the code because I will be starting from the very beginning so that you could follow the steps. So let me refresh this page. I removed the code. Now you will no more able to see any product slider. Alright, so let's go to the Shopify dashboard. So if you are clicking on customize, and here you will see that there will be if in your theme you don't have any section of slider, for example you are clicking on add section, and below you can see that collection list, blog post and many more other sections, but we don't have the product slider. Alright, so I will be showing you how you can create into your store. So let's go to the dashboard again. Here you should click on actions, then click on edit code. And now we will be following the steps which are over there in the blog post. So here we have the blog post. The step first is go to theme, then actions, then edit code and then sections. So we actually clicked on themes, then actions, then edit code, and now we are landed to this screen where we have sections. Click on sections. Then the next step is create a new file collection-slider.liquid in sections. Alright, so let's create a new file. Click on add a new section, click on, and here you should name it collection-slider. That's it, and click on create section. Once you are done, then the next step is replace this code. Before that we have copy the code of collection.liquid file and paste complete code to new file collection-slider.liquid. So here we have actually collection.liquid. So you should copy everything from here and paste into this file which we have created just now. You should remove the code first and then paste it over here. So now let's save these changes, and now the next step is that replace this code. So we need to find this specific code into our new file which we have just created. So let me find that. You should copy that and then Control F and then press enter key, and you will this line will be highlighted. So what we need to do here is we need to replace that code with this line. So I copied this, and now I am going to replace this line with that. So I have replaced that line. Next step is replace this code. So again I need to copy this, and let's find it from here. I am going to click on pressing Control F, then click paste it here, and now this line is highlighted. So I need to replace this line with the new line which I have written here. So I am going to copy this whole line. Let's copy this and let's paste it over here. So I'm going to replace this, first of all delete it and then paste the new line which you have copied from the blog post. The fifth step is add below CDN of Slick Slider and jQuery in theme.liquid file at the end before close body tag. Actually, to execute this slider we needed jQuery library as well as Slick Slider. So I'm going to copy both these libraries link. So I copied these. Then after you should go to the layout, then click on theme.liquid, and here you need to search body. Alright, you should not go to the body, actually you should go to the head. I will actually update this point that we need to go to the head tag. Alright, so let me show you where you should go. So down below you should scroll it, and here you can see that we have close tag of the head. So here I have written close body tag. So instead of close body tag, I will be writing here close head tag. Alright, so this is the head tag. I am going to paste it over here. So both these lines I have pasted here. Then you should click on save, and the sixth step is add below CSS on top of collection-slider.liquid file. So I am going to copy this whole line of code, and then after I need to paste it at the top of collection-slider.liquid. So here we have collection-slider.liquid on the top, which is line first. So I am going to press enter and then paste everything over here. Then after, the final step is seventh step is add below JavaScript code at last line of collection-slider.liquid file. So here we have slider script. We need to copy this, and you should go at the bottom, for example here. So you should paste it over here. And the final step is find below text and rename it. So here we have featured collection. I am going to copy this and I will replace with collection slider. So let's find that. So this is featured here, featured collection. I am going to write here collection slider, and I am going to copy this line again, and let's find featured collection. So here I need to rename this to collection slider. Alright, then again I need to find one more place, and here again I will delete and put it instead of featured collection I will add collection slider. So once you are done with these steps, you can see that we have finished with everything. 8 steps we have followed. Then you should click on save, and now let's move to the new tab of theme, and we will be customizing everything. So here currently you can see that we don't have anything down below. So now I will be adding here the slider. Click on customize, and here we have add sections, and down below you can see that collection slider here. Click on collection slider. On the right hand side, select collection. This was the collection. Then save these changes. Once you saved, then you can see that this automatically loaded. So this is the slider. Now let's see in the front end. This is the home page of our slider. So here we go. You can see that we have this slider working, and if you will open this in your mobile phone view, so that would look like this. Just a moment. Here you can see that we have 2 products showing, and this is looking too beautiful. Alright, you can add as many sliders as you want. There is no problem at all. Alright, so this is looking beautiful. One last thing is that if you are interested to put 4 products in a row, then you can also increase from here. So here you can see that now the products would be 4. Let me save these changes, and here we go. Now you can see that we have 4 products. Alright, so you can reduce and you can increase. So if we are adding 5, let me click on save, and it will automatically become 5. So you can reduce or increase the number of products in a single row. Alright, now for example you are interested to change the color from red to a different color. You can actually change the color over here at the top in the collection-slider.liquid. Here you can see that I have written red, background red. Here you can replace with any color. For example, I am adding here green, or maybe you have any hex code, you can also add that. I am going to save these changes. Let's refresh this page, and here we go. Here you can see that we have green color. One important thing that I need to share with you is that I have created one website, that is keywords.com, and here I have created actually a lot of tools to use to do your SEO, and if you are a YouTuber, then this is also helpful for you. For example, I have keywords for YouTubers. If you are clicking over there, then here you can generate tags for your YouTube videos. If you are clicking on generate, these are tags. You can copy and paste, you can remove these tags. I have also one more keyword volume checker. If you are clicking on keyword volume checker here, if you are using any keyword, pressing this search icon, here you can see that we have average monthly searches, cost per click, ad competition. We have the graph of the whole year, 12 months, last 12 months. We have here the data, and we have related keywords as well. So there are a lot of other tools also. Here you can see that we have Google, YouTube, Microsoft, Yahoo, Amazon, eBay. So all the keywords related things you will be finding here, and if you are interested you can also explore this and share with other people as well. So this was all about. So if you are thinking this video was useful, then you should also like this video, and if you are new on this channel then please subscribe this channel as well.